So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back everyone to this channel. In today's video, we gonna talk about investing in stock market. If you hear this word, you're gonna always say, "Bro, it's boring," but I say it's fucking cool. So, if you start to invest, there are so many ways like bonds, mutual funds, stock, ETF. It's go on. But in today's video, we gonna talk about only stock. So without wasting anyone's time, let's get into the topic. So how did I started? I just also started planning my investment only on YouTube, and it's also enough you to start your investment by learning on YouTube, and you don't know to buying a course like full course on investment like that. You and I said you didn't learn everything from learning. You will always learn about stock market in stock market like experience. So YouTube has everything in it. So and I already told that the earlier you start, the more you get. Like Warren Buffett started his investing when he was 10. And but you don't need to like Warren Buffett. Like he he started his career, he fixed his career only in stock market. Like he became millionaire when he was 80. So how did you feel like when you become uh, billionaire in Haiti? You have a swimming pool of money, but you don't have any energy to enjoy. So, like that. So, you need to make the investment as a side hustle. You don't need to make that as your main business. And then when I was started to learning about investment, my family are thinking that this will not work. This is a gambling like that. And then I started to explain everything about that. So and then they understand me. So they also started to pushing me forward. So basically, if you are starting, you will have this question: how to invest? I already told you about the book, The Intelligent Investor. If you know about that, I dropped the link in the description. So, in that book, you can learn everything about investment. And in this learning course, you need to learn everything like what is investment, what is inflation, where to invest, what is intrinsic value calculator, like everything. You need to spend at least 5 months for that because first you need to learn and then remove the year to earn. So if you are done this all, then congratulations. You learned about investment. Now you have to choose a trusted app. If you are in India, you can use Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One, anything you want. But you need a trusted app. Like you need Demat account and trading account. This all app will provide that both account for you, and some app will charge us for that. So you need to fill your PAN card, Aadhaar number, bank details, everything. So you need a trusted app like that. If you don't have, then your money is like a flying bird. So you open your new Demat and trading account. Now you are implement all your learning in the earning pause, that is choosing pause. So you need to choose a perfect stock like by using some formulas intrinsic where you need to buy that stock below the intrinsic value. So make sure that stock will with you for another 5 years. Like that you need to choose your stock. Like so the formula for how much risk you can take is 100% minus your age. So if you are 20 years old, 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 percentage. So you can make 80 percentage of risk, take that. So like that you can take risk. If you are 80 years old, you need to take just 20 percentage offer on investing, like that. If you are buying any stock, you need to analyze these three things, that is fundamental analysis, technical analysis, economical analysis. So first we're gonna talk economical analysis. That is how the country will grow for next 2 years. Like if the Arab countries are less with oil, then the oil price will go up. Like that, you need to few amounts you can focus on economical growth, and then the technical growth. The technical growth is like you are watching the candlestick patterns, like it goes on this like that. You need to analyze this all, and then the main part is the fundamental analysis. Like you need to focus this for mainly, like you need to analysis the company's market cap, and the share price value, and then balance sheet, profit loss ratios, like PE ratios, like that. So the fundamental analysis is very very important. If you are first starting, just buy a known stock like Coca-Cola, Apple, like that. Like what, if you don't know about the company, then how did you make profit on that? Like Warren Buffett also said a quote about this. That is, if you don't know what the company doing, then you will don't know how it will grow. So if you are done this all perfectly, then congrats, you got your first stock. So, and then mainly you need to turn off your emotions in stock market. Like, if you are buy both a wrong stock, and it goes downward, and you need to immediately sell that. But your emotion will say, wait few minutes for its make at least some profit, like that, and you will say it's a gambling, like that. So just turn off the emotion, that's it. So and then what you need to do is diversify your portfolio. You need to diversify your portfolio, like 70 percentage for large cap, 25 percentage for mid cap, and 5 percentage for small cap. And you need also to invest in bonds, mutual funds, ETF, like that. Uh, like if you are buying one stock by lump sum amount, and then some bad news for that company, so the company moving downwards, then you will lose that all money. So that's why you need to buy various stocks and bonds, ETF, like that, and then diversify it. That is very important. Like you can diversify by your own. You don't need to diversify like 70 percentage, 25 percentage, 5 percentage. You can buy what's on your own. Like if your stocks going highly, then you can make that as 90 percentage. And if your bonds are going highly, then you can make that as 90 percentage, 70 percentage, like that. It's all upon you. So I already told you this all come from your experience. Experience is important for the growth of your stocks. So if you are done this all, then congrats. You started your investment. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit the subscribe button for your and my improvement, and I meet you on another video.